Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you are well. Today I am going to share some beautiful earrings design. Crochet earrings gives us very unique and pretty look. Nowadays it is in trend and attracting a lots of people. You can gain ground by wearing crochet earrings. Whenever you are free, you can crochet your favorite design. Save your favorite design so whenever you will need them, you can easily find them in your gallery. Also, you can mix match two or more than two design and make a new design of your choice. Crochet earrings are very lightweight, so it will be easy to wear them for a long time. As earrings made of silver, gold, ruby, and any other metal are usually heavy and hurts very much. But by wearing crochet earrings and necklace, you can get rid of such problems and gain compliments. Making them takes a lots of time, but the result is worthful and gives us relief. Whether you are a seasoned crochet enthusiast or a curious beginner, this collection promises inspiration and creativity. You will feel comfortable while wearing these earrings and necklace and look stylish. Imagine delicate laceworks, flowers, leaves, and many other cute designs woven together. In these designs are the best design I had ever seen. You can imagine how beautiful they will look on you. It would be very difficult for you to choose the best design. As earlier I have told you that this video consists of the best designs. If you like to do something different, then definitely try this type of designs. In this video, you will get many crochet knitted ideas by watching, which you can make very beautiful designs. You can create your own new design by mixing and matching. If you find some designs difficult, then you can give them a new look in your style. If you like to see or do something new and different, then you can subscribe to my channel because I will keep bringing a lots of new different things for you. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for supporting me. Keep crocheting.